Probably have been scouring the internet trying to find ways to make money online, whether it is so you can work from home or build additional sources of income. However, none of what you have found so far seems to have been working for you, or just don't think it will work from you from the get-go. So, we'll be looking at some reasons why making money online has not been working for you. Make sure you stay until the end for the major reason why you have not been making any money online or not making any at all. The main reasons why making money online doesn't work for you is because of your geographical location. A lot of the ways you can make money online, like surveys, website testing, freelance work, are location dependent. So for example, there are survey websites like Swagbucks, Tuluna, Survey Junkie, and they all work, and you can make decent money if you are consistent with doing surveys, but the surveys are generally directed to persons in specific geographic location. So let's look at it. If you're living in the country of Oman, you might get only a few surveys to complete or none at all. A workaround to this that a lot of persons have been using is to use a VPN, which basically disguises your online identity and offers a level of online protection. How it works is that you use a VPN, location spoofing, and you can switch to a server in another country and basically change your location. Three of the better VPNs you can consider if you decide to go this route are ExpressVPN, Surfshark, or NordVPN. Also, be careful of some of these VPNs because they are just scammers looking to steal your data. The other issue relating to geographical location is that it affects how you will receive payments, because your local bank might not be able to facilitate it, or the sender does not have the capabilities to send it to your local bank. This may require you opening a bank account in the foreign country or using a money transfer platform such as PayPal, Skrill, or Vita Wallet. The next issue you may have faced or you will face with making money online is that you may be required to meet a quota. So for YouTube, you have to gain a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, while for some cashback platforms and survey sites, you have a minimum payout, whether it is $5, $20, or $50, etc. You will not be getting any money until you have surpassed that, and after you withdraw your first payout or request the funds, you will have to work hard towards reaching the minimum payout amount again so that you can get paid. This takes a lot of patience, consistency, and dedication, and there is pretty much no workaround for this. You just have to do the work. A major reason why people don't make money online is simply because of analysis paralysis. Having too many options that you can choose from, you get stuck or you probably end up going in circles and failing to make a decision because there's just too much to consider and too many variables. You start to try all of them and not sticking with any. This tends to happen when you want to make the very best possible choice every time. But what happens instead is that you end up spending too much time trying to figure out which direction to go or making one decision when that time could have been spent working and making actual money. However, some decisions do warrant a little more time, but sometimes you might be better off if you force yourself to make a decision now, because if it's not the right one, you will learn something valuable and gain some form of traction for the next venture. Not being decisive is a killer of success. Just bear in mind these few things you should always look into when trying to make money online. Is the website or business credible? Do they have good reviews? How will you receive the payment for the work done? How quickly or when do they make payments? What is your earning potential? What are the requirements to join the platform? And lastly, how safe will any information you share with them be? So, the main reason most people aren't making a lot of money online is because they haven't created a clientele, a market, a following, or traffic. It is as simple as that, but getting this is not that simple. Here's the thing. Different platforms require different styles or techniques to gain customers. And for this, we are talking about the online means of making money that can earn you a truckload of cash if done successfully, and you would have created loyal customers. These platforms include dropshipping, YouTube, selling digital assets using Fiverr, etc. So Let's look into it. Using Fiverr as an example, you created a Fiverr account as a graphics designer, but you have no clients, which means you have no reviews, which equates to no money. Because anyone that comes online to do business with a graphic designer and see your portfolio with no reputation of doing business with anyone will not be so confident in your abilities to do business with you. A few things you can do to build your clientele in this case is to 1. Redirect your face-to-face clients to your online platform and conduct the business through there. Price your goods below market price during the startup and slowly raise it as you gain your reputation. 3. I personally don't recommend this, but you can pay people to purchase your online service and leave a good review or comment. I don't recommend this because it does not create loyal customers and repeat purchase is not expected, but it does assist a bit with building your reputation. And 4. Simply advertise using whether social media platforms or Google Ads, etc. Just a final note, be careful when doing business online. There are a lot of people and websites out there trying to either steal your money, your data, or both. They are using very creative means to do so, such as cloning websites, making offers that are hard to resist, and viruses, etc. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and share. And for more videos like this and videos geared towards your overall growth and success, please subscribe.